Hello there, guys and gals. Good day to each every one of you. Yes, as you can see, I'm walking down the stairs, overpass actually. I'm here in Taytay, Rizal. I've been in Suzuki Casa inquiring for something for my gear to fix. Bill asked me to check for a spare parts, and when I check it on the cashier on the part service, it costs 13,000. So they suggest that ask their mechanic if it is really the one that I wanted to, but I mean, ask the mechanic if it is really the main cause of my wagon. Sorry, I'm lost. And then so he told me that I think it's not the one that you have to buy, it's the bushing. So it only costs 400 something. See that? 13,000 over 100. So he's gonna help me, and then afterwards, once he's the one who ordered. Thank you, Sir Rodel, for your kindness. He will inform me through messenger, and then afterwards he will check the other problem of my wagon. So I'm here in a auto glass to check also for my for how much will cost the front glass of my wagon, because it's already broken. But for now,